How long do cruises typically last? Stop scrolling, thinking about booking a cruise but totally overwhelmed by the dates? How long should your first voyage really be? Listen up, because the answer isn't just about your budget. Just last summer, I snagged a lightning-fast 4-day Bahamas getaway out of Miami. It was the perfect quickie, barely enough time to unpack before we were heading back. But for a minimal cost, it was an unbeatable taste test. These short cruises, typically just 2 to 4 nights, are fantastic if you simply want to relax, hit one sunny port, or see if life at sea is even for you. They're the commitment-free way to dip your toes in the water. But if you truly want to explore, you need more time. My Mediterranean trip this past spring, a solid 7 nights starting in Barcelona, was the absolute sweet spot. That mid-range length, usually 5 to 9 nights, is ideal. It gives you enough sea days to completely de-stress and enough port days to actually feel like you've seen a region, not just rushed through it. Then, of course, there are the Behemoths, the monster voyages that stretch on for 10 nights or more, weeks, even months. I haven't taken that leap yet, but imagine the time off you'd need. The biggest secret to cruise length, it all comes down to the distance between ports. The more far-flung destinations a cruise line crams into the itinerary, the longer the trip must be. Every company crafts their routes differently, so don't just look at the price. Look at the port count and the days. Choose wisely. It's the difference between a relaxing vacation and an expensive boat ride.